Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about your immune system. So your immune system is a really powerful army inside of your body that protects you against things that are lurking on the outside. So every day we get in contact with these things called bacteria and viruses, and they're trying to get into our body to make us sick. And your immune system is that army of what we call cells. So this army of little guys that are protecting you against that happening. So some of those cells, some of that army, they're responsible for walking around in your body the whole time with a torchlight, and they're looking at, is there anything there that shouldn't be there? And there's the other guys that are waiting in the waiting room until they're ready to be called for a fight. So when they're called in to have a fight with anything that's come into your body, there's again two types. So one will go and eat whatever has come in that shouldn't be there. So they're the ones that eat away on those viruses and the bacteria. And the other ones, they remember. So this is why you don't get sick of the same things many times, because all of those bacteria and viruses, they're leaving like breadcrumbs for that immune army that you have in your body. And that army remembers and says, let me go call the guy that dealt with this particular bacteria last time so well. Let me go call him for some help. Now, you don't just have that army of cells inside of your body that are keeping you strong and healthy every day, but you also have a thick layer of skin, our biggest organ. So we have a thick armory all around our body to protect us from things coming in. So I see it like a castle. The castle walls that are protecting you from having things enter your body. So when we now wash our hands really, really well, and we practice that hand washing, we can try and keep that wall healthy as well. So we protect you from things coming into your body. So you might ask, how can I help those good guys that are protecting me from getting sick? And I always say, you need to feed the army, you need to water the army, and you need to keep the army active. So you want to make sure that the army has all of the foods that it loves eating. So for example, all of the vegetables and the fruits. You want to make sure the army is not thirsty, so you want to give it a lot of water. And you want to make sure the army is well practiced and strong, so you want to exercise. And I'll give you a secret tip. The army loves sunlight, which is why I'm sitting here in the sunshine. The army loves to be outside, so if you can do that exercise outside and just be in the sun a little bit, that's even better. Because the reason for why we're not sick every day, even though we're in contact every day with the outside environment, everything has bacteria and viruses on it. The reason why we're not sick every day is because our immune system is doing such a good job. So I think it deserves some respect.